We are following a storm alert here at NBC 26. We have a winter storm warning for Langlade County, and the rest of the area is under a winter weather advisory. This is for tonight, tomorrow, and early Saturday morning. As you take a look at Storm Shield radar, you can see it's relatively quiet, although we're starting to pick up a few echoes on the radar. This is not reaching the ground. However, the stuff across southern Wisconsin and eastern Iowa, rain is reaching the ground, and we're also looking at snow now rapidly developing here across southwestern Minnesota back into Nebraska. We're going to see snow and or a mix develop across the area as we head through the late evening and overnight hours. The snow could fall heavily at times with significant accumulations likely by tomorrow morning, and we're going to see difficult traveling develop across the entire viewing area. It's going to be mainly snow from roughly Highway 41 north and west, and then south and east, mainly snow, but there's a better chance that we could have some freezing rain and sleet mixing in as well. And that's where the forecast begins to get a little trickier, because when you're talking about temperatures in the 30s, a 1 to 2 degree difference can have a huge impact, obviously. If we see more mixing, we will have less snow. But this is what I'm thinking right now. By the time all is said and done Saturday morning, most of the viewing area will end up with about 5 to 9 inches of snow. This is combining what falls tonight, tomorrow night into Saturday morning. Across the north, about 3 to 5 inches, and then the heaviest totals here will be from western Shawano County, Waupaca County, and Waushara County back towards La Crosse, where some spots will see a foot or more of snow. 41 degrees right now in Green Bay. Clouds are thickening across the area as northeast winds begin to pick up. It is 39 degrees and cloudy in Appleton. Temperatures across northeast Wisconsin in the mid-30s to mid-40s. It's actually cooler near Lake Michigan right now than it is farther inland. 44 degrees in Waupaca. All in all, a huge change from what we saw yesterday. Obviously, the heat wave has come to an end. For example, 3 o'clock in Sheboygan, yesterday, 70. Today, 37. You can see this big area of much colder weather pushing south out of Canada behind a cold front that is now making its way towards the eastern seaboard. And then on the back edge of that cold front, we've got an area of low pressure, and this is going to be the big winter storm that moves across the Great Lakes as we head through the next 36 to 48 hours. Blizzard warnings have been issued for Iowa and southern Minnesota. Once again, we've got a mixture of winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings. Storm Shield radar shows the precipitation really starting to come together now to our south and west across parts of Iowa and southern Minnesota, and that snow will fall quite heavily at times as we head through the evening. Here's 9 o'clock, heavy snow pushing into west central Wisconsin. Snow heavy at times by 11 o'clock this evening from Green Bay south. That'll continue through tomorrow morning. We'll see a little bit of a lull then as we head through the morning and possibly into the early afternoon before more snow redevelops on the backside of the system. That'll then continue as we head through tomorrow night into Saturday morning. By tomorrow morning, a widespread 3 to 6 inches of snow across the area. As we mix tomorrow, another 1 to 2 inches, and then we'll see an additional inch or so tomorrow night into Saturday morning. Along with the wintry precipitation, much colder weather moves in. High temperatures tomorrow only in the upper 20s to lower 30s. So tonight, look for that snow or mix developing, then going over to primarily snow. Lows will be in the upper 20s. The snow will fall heavily at times. Tomorrow, wintry mix, especially south and east of the Fox Valley. It's going to be a windy day. High temperatures will be in the lower 30s. The snow then continues tomorrow night into Saturday morning. Some sunshine possible by Saturday afternoon. We'll have the chance for a couple of snow showers or flurries Sunday into Monday as we start to warm back up again. But overall, colder weather compared to what we've been seeing the last couple of weeks with high temperatures in the 30s to around 40 degrees. What a drastic change, Megan. A weather 180.
We expected it, though.
Yeah, this is Wisconsin. This is what we get. We get some crazy weather at times.
Of course. Thanks, Cameron.
Yep.
Well, let's take a look at what you'll see tonight at 6 o'clock. Stacey Gabrenson is in the newsroom with what we're working on. Stacey?
Well, Megan, go big, go bold. That's what Governor Walker told the crowd today at the Conservative Political Action Conference's annual meeting. Hear what else he said about the Act 10